Hi, let's make a tunnel card of a train on a bridge. This is a DIY project. Welcome to my channel Versova Hobbies. To make this beautiful card, we'll be requiring a cutting mat, 2 pages of printouts on A4 size, colored paper and a white sheet, glue, empty or dried out ballpoint pen, ordinary pen, scissor, tweezers, scale, paper cutter, masking tape and specs if you require it. We'll attach the printout of page number 1 to a colored paper with the help of a masking tape. With the help of a scale and an empty or dried up ballpoint pen, we'll score out all the fold lines. Scoring is very important to fold the lines. You just twist the paper and the paper will neatly fold along the fold lines. We will use a paper cutter or a scissor to cut out all the cut lines. We could have taken the printout of page number 1 directly on the colored paper, but we don't want any print lines or instructions printed on our main page. So using this method, we can avoid all the print lines on our main page. There won't be any print lines or instructions on the main page. So the problem arises that when we'll start to fold the main page, there won't be any instructions. So what we will do after cutting out all the cut lines, we'll just write rare on the rare main page and front on the front page. See, here it's written rare page, so I'll write a rare on the main page and discard the print page. We will repeat with the other part. Where the front part is written, we will just write front at the same location but on the main page. Now we will fold all the fold lines. We can use a piece of plastic which is smooth and blunt and rub it over the fold lines so that we get a better and sharp crease lines. Now we will start to make the box by pasting all the tabs. Choice of glue is very important. The glue, it shouldn't warp the page and at the same time it should be quick to dry. The tweezer, or also known as forceps, comes in very handy when we have to stick or paste together two parts which are not easily accessible by fingers. Now we will attach the rear portion with the front portion with the help of a tab. The front and rear are mentioned, so we will match these two. Our box is ready now, but we will keep it aside because we have to place layers 1 and layers 2 inside it. With the help of a masking tape, we'll attach the printout of page number 2 on another page of A4 size around 120 to 160 GSM. This second page will be our main page. Just like in the case of page number 1, we'll use the same thing in page number 2 also. We'll score out all the fold lines first with the help of a scale and an empty or dried up ballpoint pen. Using a paper cutter, we'll cut out all the cut lines. You must have noticed that I always manually cut the papers. It's because I don't own any Cricut, Silhouette, Cameo or any other cutting machines. Also, I do not have any SVG file. The ballpoint pen, paper cutter, scissors, though very useful tools, have sharp edges. So we have to be very particular when we are using these tools. We have to be extra cautious when children are around because they might get hold of it and might injure themselves or someone else. If you will look closely at the dividers, you will see that one edge is tapered. This is our tab. This is the place where we will be applying the glue. These are the separators. They are 6 in numbers. We have scored out all the fold lines on the separators. So we'll discard the upper printout page and we'll be using the main bottom page. Handmade cards are always appreciated because you have taken the pains and given the time in making it. It shows your creativity side too. The same issue arises here that there won't be any instructions or print on our bottom main page. So we'll write 1 as layer 1 and 2 as layer 2 on the main pages at the same location on which the printouts layer 1 and layer 2 are mentioned. We'll apply glue on the tabs of the separators and paste it. This will give the shape of a square rod. We have a total of 6 separators, 3 for each layer. A humble request, kindly don't ask for any free templates. I'll mention it in the description box or the title if I wish to give any free templates. Place the box in front of you in such a way that the words rear and front are nearer to you. Apply a little glue on the separator and place them inside the box as shown in the video. The purpose of applying a little glue on the separator is that it shouldn't move its position and should be fixed. Apply a little bit glue on page number 1 and place it inside the box so that the numeric 1 is facing you. Place second layer of dividers. Years of research has shown that this is the best position for the dividers. Just kidding. Apply glue and then place layer number 2 inside the box in such a way that the numeric 2 is facing you. When placing the layers, please ensure the sequence as well as the position in which you are placing the layers inside the box. The layer pages shouldn't be flipped and should be in proper sequence so that we get a proper scenery. Close the box by applying glue on the tabs. For any help, guidance, suggestion or query, please feel free to email me at versovahobbies@gmail.com or kindly mention it in the comment section below. Congratulations! Your tunnel card of a train on a bridge is ready for display. We can proudly display it in our showcase or we can present it as a gift to our near and dear ones. This handmade tunnel card would make a great gift. And as for always, thank you for watching with interest.